today is me, Hope Carlos, and I am back with another video. And I have some balloons right here. Sorry, you guys, but here's some balloons. And I bet y'all can't guess what I'm doing with them. So I'm gonna sit my camera right here where they can see me, and I'm gonna be making some voices with these balloons, and they don't float. So yeah, they don't float up in the air, you guys. So that's some good luck to me. To you it isn't, but to me it is. So I'm gonna get this first balloon, and I'm gonna like just poke a hole in here, or bite a hole. I'm gonna suck some up, and it's gonna make a squeaky spanky voice like that. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a big spot right here, and I'm gonna just poke a hole. Hey you guys.
Hey you guys, it's me today and I'm back with another video. Yo. I'm hungry. I really am hungry though, you guys, so yeah. Peekaboo.
So, I use all the air out of this one. If you see where I put my hole, it is right, wait, you guys, it is right there. There's the hole. Here's my second balloon. I love to do this. The air just makes my mouth warm. Okay, let me do this one.
My name is Chiquita. Yeah, I'm the best.
Yeah. Oh my god.
My name's Chiquita. Yeah, and I'm the best. Yeah, and I am some. I don't know the rest, you guys, but yeah.
So, you can see I use all this air. And where's the hole at? I'm going to try to show you guys my hole real quick. And yes, I will be posting more on my YouTube channel because I don't even like post a lot, like me dancing or Rolex or something. But the hole on this one, is right there, as you can see. Wait, that's not even it. It's right here. As you can see that the hole is right there. And the hole on this one, you guys. Let's look and see where this hole is at. Right here in the back